Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Shapiyit Kami, but Kikubo, Baman Kasi.
Kibriu ki basa athem yom molong manta kasngi kilo ujor shulat ke jela usatyapal malik persya ke jingtmu ke sarkar jela ban penken riak no iki nakate ke jaka ke bakisa menta u president ke Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee u Majendar Singh Sirsa ulawan ban senran lang bat ki basa athem yom molong ban kentu yulat ban tuklar ban pensange ke jingtmu penken riak ke sarkar Meghalaya yaki nakate ke jaka.
The Honorable Governor Shri Satyapal Malik ji. This was regarding the forceful eviction and the order passed by the Cabinet of Meghalaya under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Konark Sangma ji. That was that the Punjabi Basti will be evicted within 1 week, and they in their press briefing, as they have briefed that they had a tri-party agreement with the CM of Millennium, and for that purposes now this land will be evicted. We met today the Honorable Governor Sahib, and we have produced our documents, the title of this property and also the court order from the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, which clearly states that even if these people are illegally occupying this land, they cannot be evicted forcefully or without the due process of law. The court has also established the formation, how to evict them. They said the government should move to the civil suit and file a civil suit, and the civil judge should hear both the parties and pass an appropriate order. So for even if they are illegally occupying this place, for that purpose also the government has to file a civil suit before the civil magistrate, and then the order for eviction can be passed. But this cannot be forcefully, as the CM of Millennium have already in 2008 has stated that this property was allotted to the Harijan Panchayat. And now how can they sign a tri-part agreement saying that we have reclaimed this land? There is no provision in the law. And we also humbly request to the people of Meghalaya and to the government of Meghalaya that the Sikhs here are living in a micro minority, and they shouldn't be evicted without due process of law. And we assure our people also that nothing on this earth can evict them forcefully. Nothing. There is a law, there is a stated law in this country, and we'll follow a law. And I think the government should also follow this law, and there is no reason that government should forcefully evict them.
But the government is saying that they are not going to evict. But
that is totally arbitrary, because they have made up their mind. This order is with a preconceived mind, because they want them to evict. They want to clean this area. Why? They are owner of this property. So the high level committee, I think they have gone beyond their jurisdiction. I just want to apprise you guys, the media also, that this high level committee has passed an order in 2001 and stating that they should be evicted. Rather, high power committee has no such power. They can only recommend for this. Then we move to the High Court again, and a High Court has again stayed their proceedings also, that you cannot pass any kind of such proceedings. I do not understand why then government is passing again and again order. It is what I feel is they want to communalize this situation. The government, for the purpose of election, is doing this, and I humbly request the Chief Minister of the state that being a Chief Minister, you are duty bound to save the minorities and majority. And while it comes to the minority, they might have 400 votes, but as a Chief Minister, you are constitutionally bound to protect. It ought to be a mutually, it can't be forcefully. Had government or high level committee ever had a discussion with them? No. Then how can they simply decide the property belongs to me? If this property is, I got a right on this property, how can a government sitting in office and can decide that, okay, we want to relocate you? Then that also had to be mutually, either mutually or by the way of law, they can move to the court and tell them. But this can't be as simply that government has passed a cabinet order and Chief Minister is briefing the media and saying कि हम इनको एक हफ्ते में खाली करा लेंगे. This is not fair.
what was the assurance that was given by the
Governor Sahib has already spoken to the Chief Minister, and Honorable Governor Sahib has assured us that they will not be evicted forcefully. A due process of law and especially the order of Honorable High Court will be followed with every inch, every word of this order will be followed. And as per this order, they cannot, because it's a clear status quo. And even the Honorable Court has said that nothing can be said against them and can be done against them. I think even the press briefing and the cabinet meeting is also illegal. That is also a contempt of the court, what the meeting has been called for, because there is no such provision.